Welcome back, everyone, to the season finale of Campfire Cooking. We've been waiting for this one. Sad to see that this season's coming to an end, but excited for what's to come, I guess. Right? What do you think's happened this
Absolutely.
episode? We fought all
Absolutely.
fought the Kraken
sea
last
monsters.
episode. Yeah.
I know. I mean, it was incredible. I wasn't expecting that episode to be that good.
hmm
For those that read the manga, you kind of knew what was happening, and probably you were very excited for that. But for us that didn't know, it was just cool to see.
Yeah.
For the first time, I'm excited for this last episode. But I gotta say, it's been a great season. I've been loving it. So it is, sad to have the last episode today.
Yeah. Yeah. It is. But hey, maybe it's gonna be an exciting one. Are we getting to a dungeon? I guess we'll find out. You ready?
That'll be cool. I'm ready.
Let's get it.
おい、起きぬか。もう日が昇るぞ。
Get up. Wake up.
おい、
Breakfast.
Hey.
起きぬか。
I'm saying wake up.
何何
Damn.
ゆうべ起こせと言ったのはお主だぞ。
え明日久しぶりに港で朝市が立つんだって。
行こうぜ行こうぜ。
頑張って早起き
Oh,
するか。
that's right. They were going to the
誰か起こしてく
market.
れればいいんだけど。朝市
Well, he technically didn't ask Phil to wake him up early. But okay.
But okay. He just said, I need someone to wake me up.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, Fel's excited, all right. They need some food to eat.
うわーす
A
ごい
new
活気だ
return. Mm.
にぎわってるな
Oh, the fish market.
前来た時とは全然違う
Yeah,
俺
guys,
も
you don't
生
need
ではない
fish.
か。無理をすれば食えん
Yeah,
わけではないが。
I'll only eat it raw if
向
I
こうからいい
must.
匂いがするぞ。
Oh,
もう飯かよ
I bet
ちょっと
someone's
見
grilling
さ
up
せ
some
てくれよ
fish or something.
この先の広場に屋台が集まってるよ。
Oh.
ありがとう
Ooh,
ございま
let's
す
go.
Oh, okay. The boiled fish, I don't know about all that.
Oh,
Fel.
二人とも起きた
All
な
those noises he was making. Ooh.
すみま
that
せん
looks good.
焼き魚この皿に盛れるだけいただけますか
はいよ。おめさん、クラーケン時の
Oh, he's
兄
just
ちゃ
say
ん
it's
じゃな
on
い
me.
か。兄ちゃんたちのおかげであれから大量よ。
Bro.
漁師連中もお魚をみんな感謝してるぜ。
Yeah, but don't give it for
こ
free.
ん
He
な
has
俺
to
たち
win
が
the
う
money.
まい魚を振る舞う番だな。腹いっぱい食っててくれよ。ちょいとおまけでどうか3枚だ。
3 copper coins?
Okay, at least okay. Keeper is
それ
fine.
じゃあいただきます
Yeah, that's like
Oh.
nothing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I love the way Sui eats.
うまっ油が乗って身も
That
ふ
it
っくらして
melts.
て
Yeah.
塩味もちょう
Just
どいい
absorbs it.
肉とは違うけど魚もいけるな。皮のとこパリッとしてて
Ooh.
美味しい。
焼き方もまあまあだな。
It's
量があれば
acceptable.
なおよしだが。
屋台はあちこちでちょっとずつ食べるのがいいんだよ
Yeah, come on. We gotta find other
あっち行っ
things.
てみよううまっこれって何のスープですか
大岩貝のスープだよ。
Giant rock
Giant
clams.
rock
Ahora.
soup. What the
で
hell
っ
is that?
かこれだけいい
It
出
does
汁が
look
出るな
like
ら
a rock.
焼いたのも食べたくなるな
ここらの大岩貝は煮てよし焼いてよしで有名なんだよ。
Boil or
気
grill
に入っ
them?
たんなら買って
How do
い
you
っとくれ。
grill a clam? Do you
じ
just
ゃ
stick it
あ
on the
せっ
grill
かくな
like
んで
that?
カゴ一杯分
I guess.
あいよ。
But you're not cooking the
商売上手
inside.
だな。
You're just cooking the actual
こ
clam.
の貝って
ああ、カーキだよ。
Oh, oyster? Those are
Yahari
massive
kaki da na.
oysters. Holy
こ
crap.
の大粒に生でレモン絞ってチュルッとなんてや
う
りたくなるな
ちょ
I've tried them
Nope.
before.
That's a no
そ
for
んな
me.
食べ方聞いたことないよ。
Oh,
やっぱり食当たりと
フィッシュアームに内臓食い破られて死にたくなけりゃやめときな。
当たるどころの
What?
話じゃなかった
oh
魚も
no.
生はダメだよ。必ず火を通すことだね。
They don't know about
気をつけます。
sushi.
ってことは刺身もダメだな
Yeah.
あとりあえず他を見て回りますか
Okay, maybe this world's a little different, but I doubt it. They probably just have never tried it.
Mhm. The
これ持って
sharks.
ってくれ。
あれも持ってって。
Oh my gosh, they're just giving him a bunch of stuff.
買
Holy
った分より
crap.
おまけの方が多いんだけど。
Fail. It's like a like a donkey just carrying all this shit.
しっかり朝食食べて二度寝なんかしちゃったりして。休みの日はい
Oh
い
my
ね。
gosh. Oh, the Sui. Did you see Sui?
さてと、
No, no, I
遅め
didn't.
の昼
What's he
いいね。
Oh,
Just
it's all melted.
いや
さてと、遅めの昼飯、早めの夕飯、何にするかな。海産物がどっさりあるし。ん、そう
What is
だ
it?
あれにしよう。まず
Felt
火
notice
を起
something.
こしてと。
yeah.
バーベキューか
Oh, yeah, we just, it was just
Azre.
okay.
今日は違う料理だよ。それじゃあ、このキャベットをひたすら粗めのみじん切りに。
Cabbage.
千
You
切り
mean
にする方法
cabbage?
もあるけど、俺は粗みじん派。
またはか
Maybe.
肉を食わせろ。
そう言うなよ。絶対うまいから。
Like, what the fuck are you? Why are you giving me fucking plant?
I know.
I'm not a cow.
それ
小麦粉に味をつけたものと、小麦粉を練って細い紐みたいにしたものかな。
あの次は粉か。我は肉か魚が食いたいのだ。
まあちょっとお待ちなさいって。
He gets so pissed.
少しくらいダマが残ってても気にしない。キャベットを入れてさっくりふわふわに混ぜる。それから朝一で見つけたこれ。
Those little
絶対う
prawns.
まみの素だ。
なんかドロドロしてるな。
まだ出来上がりじゃ
Oh,
ないよ。
it'll get fried up.
こんなこと
It's
もあろ
gonna
うか
turn.
と。
Wait,
ア
are
リ
they
スさん
turn?
に作っといてもらった鉄板の出番だぜ。
Are they like prawn
油を
let's
pancakes or
生地
something?
を広げて形を整える。
Oh no.
おっと、麺も食べないと。
Oh, that looks. I would eat that for sure.
Oh,
そし
for
て
sure.
火が通り始めた生地に麺をオンだ。具はクラーケンとバーミリオンシュリンプ。硬くならないよう後乗せ方式だ。ちゃんと焼き目がついたか確認して。
Oh,
おー、いい感じ。
nice like char on it like that.
食えるか。
待て待て、仕上げがまだだ。何はなくともソースだね。
Oh, let's go. Oh, yes.
That looks so
Oh,
good,
look at
dude.
that.
I'm so hungry.
マヨネーズもたっぷり
I'm glad I
と。
just ate.
The Koopy mayonnaise.
But
青のりみたいな海藻。
look at that. Look at that. Looks
か
so
つお
nice.
節をかけて。
It looks almost real.
Buttery
完成。おい、イカ玉。
squid and
じ
egg.
ゃなくて。
Kraken and vermilion egg
ふ
okonomiyaki.
っくらシャキシャキで中のクラーケン
I
さ
mean,
ん
I
が
would
プリ
I
プ
would
リして
definitely eat that. That looks
シュリン
delicious.
プもうまいけど、上の緑の粉と茶色いひらひらの香りがいいな。あ、ソースが濃い味なのにさっぱりでうめえ。
It's so dirty.
待て
Wait.
なぜ我の分がない
Ah!
ベルにはカーキ玉を焼いてやるから待ってろ。
Fried oysters.
早くしろ
待てって。
早く早く。
しっかり焼き目をつけた方がうまいんだよ。
Man, I think they were messing up the subtitles on this one.
I think so.
ひらパーってやつ。あれやってみて。スイ
いいけど。
やる
いいか、ヘラは手先でひっくり返すんじゃなくて、大きな動きで。
もう
Oof.
Oh, it is splitting. No.
Oh, I think he messed it up.
失敗。
We failed.
我のお好み焼きが
大丈夫大丈夫。
He said, "Don't worry, it'll still taste just as good."
Oh, shit.
今度はお主が責任を持ってひっくり返す
You
のだ
must.
はいはい。
You said that no one else is allowed to flip but you.
特大カーキ玉だ。
待ちかねたぞカーキの濃厚な旨味と中の葉のバランスがいいではないか
俺もそれ食いてえ。スイもまだまだ食べられるよ。
もっと焼き
おいおい。 大岩
Cook
が弱い
more.
そうだからついでに焼いてみるかな。
Oh, they're
あ
gonna
と
grill one of the
多くの
rock
薄
clams
切り肉
here.
も残ってたな。
Oh, let's go. That's what I'm
い
talking
や
about.
Oh
ー
yeah,
満足満足。やっぱ
great
粉もんは正義だ
meals
な。
for the day.
腹ごなしに運動してくる。
お、じゃあフェレ
Exercise.
マジックバッグを持ってってくれ。
獲物はまたこれに入れるのだな。
Yes.
やっほ
Every time.
あんまり遅くならないうちに帰って
He'll
くるん
come
だ
back too
ぞ。
late, like he's a father.
相変わらず元気だな。
お、マルクスさん。
さっき商人ギルドからこれが届いた。
Oh, what
お
could
前
that
さ
be?
ん宛てだ。
Is it a letter?
ランベルトさん。
向田さん
His
が
items
卸
are
してく
ready.
ださった石鹸とシャンプーはおかげさまで大人気です。一人3個までと制限をかけているのですが、それでもすでに品薄傾向
Oh
です。
no,
早
we
急
need
に仕入れ
more.
をしたいと考えているのですが、い
We
かがでしょう
we
か。
did say last episode that he might go
ご注
back.
文のマントも
He might need to go
間もな
back,
く
but
出来
Yeah,
上
because
が
the
り
I
cape,
ます
think this confirms it.
the items he
石鹸
needed,
とシャンプー。
because he wanted the
人にも神
cape.
にも
There
大
was,
人気だな。
I think, a few other
ランベル
things
トさんの頼みなら答えたい気持ちはあるけど。
that he had requested for
あ
him
と
to
マン
make.
ト。一着あると便利そうだから
Oh
早く手に
shit,
入
new
れたいとこ
fit?
ろではある。
Hell yeah.
ん？どうしたんですマルクスさん。
実はな。そういえばジューマたちはどこに行ったんだ。
ああ、ちょっと散歩
They
に。
just went off on a
So-
little walk
I have
just
a
to
bad
burn some
feeling.
calories.
今日は
What?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. That was weird.
That was
そう
weird.
か。またクラーケンが現れたとか。
Something's bothering him.
それなら別に内緒にすることないよな。
And only if his familiars were around?
やはり飯を食べた後は力がみなぎってくるな。
一丁大物買ってやろうぜ。
Let's hunt something big this time. Suey with them.
Oh,
Oh
shit. I have
no.
a fi-
Another dragon?
What the fuck? Oh, it's a big ass dragon.
うーん。
あー、楽しかった。なんか元気ないな。
考え事か？
いやー、ちょっとね。そっちこそどうだったんだ？
まあまあだな。
We only killed a dragon, that's all.
Big.
スイとドラ
But
ちゃ
you
ん
know
も
what?
テンショ
That's
ン
perfect
高い
because
な。
on their way
今日は
back,
何を買
they
ったん
can
だ？
stop with Elren and get
よし
the
よし。
the
お
dragon
主も
over.
見たかろう。
Oh yeah. Duh, duh.
ドラゴン
Oh, but, dude, that's a big
驚い
one.
たか。
Are you not
だってロン取ってきてた
surprised?
よ。
見てわからんか。レッドドラゴンだ。久しぶりに手応えのある相手と出会えたぞ。願わくば我一人で倒したかったところだがな。
Oh my gosh. Dude, this is he has to go back and have Elrond or whatever his name
どうし
was
ろって言うんだよ。
process
レッ
this.
ドドラゴンは
He's
まだ
gonna
若
freak.
くて小さい。その分肉も筋張っておらず、うまいだろうな。
これも食うのかよ。
無論。
He wants to eat everything he catches.
アースドラゴン
He's
で
gotta
あん
try
だ
it
け
all.
うまかったんだから、
Dude,
レッド
look
ド
at
ラゴン
look
なら
at
どんだけ
their size
I
compared
know
to the.
that dragon is massive, and this was only a young dragon.
ドランのあの人に頼むしかないか。
あ
Uh,
の変わったエルフか？
The big.
ドラゴンの解体となると、設備と技術が
He's
いるみ
got
たい
him.
だからね。それに他の人に解体頼んだことがバレようもん
oh,
な。
he is
Yeah,
going
he's
to
gonna
カロ
freak
ー
out.
リナのランベル
freak.
ト
Yep.
さんとこより、レッドドラゴンを先に片付けるべきか。
It's like, oh, you guys just had to go kill a red
クー
dragon.
ルダウンだ。よっしゃ。じゃ
Oh,
なんだそれ。きれ
ーんスイ、このレバーを回してくれるかな。
またお肉を細かくするの？
今日は氷だよ。氷を
Oh,
細かく
he's
するん
gonna
だ。
do like
俺が溶かしてやろうか。
Not like ice
水に
cream,
したい
like
わけ
how
じ
do
ゃ
you
な
call
いから
that?
ね。
Like a free, like a frosty or something like that. Not
Something
frosty,
like
like
that,
a
A shirt,
Slushy.
shirt, slushy. Yeah.
おお、すごい上手じゃないか。
主、氷がふわふわになっ
That
た
guy's got all
よ。
fluffy.
さあ、
Oh, see,
い
they're
ちご、
oh, a
メ
snow
ロン、
cone. That's
レモ
what
ン、
they're
ブル
making.
ーハワイ、ミルク。どれでも好きなのを選んでいいぞ。
じゃあね、スイは白いの。
Do you just
水
want the
を
milk
凍らせ
one?
さらに細かくしておまけに色をつけるか。何のつもりだ？
What is the
これ
meaning
が
of
今日
this?
みたいな日には最高なんだって。スイはミルクね。これはかき氷って食べ物だよ。
かき氷食べよう。
I love shaved ice.
冷
But I don't know that I would just like milk flavored. I think I would need like the
俺にもくれよ。
give me the
ああいうの
sugary
頼
stuff.
む。
Flavors. Yeah.
はいよ。ブルーハワイね。
Oh yeah, that's
Let's go. Yeah, that looks
that's
good.
the one.
止めて。と思ったら、デコイって。
Oh, brain freeze.
Oh no, that
ク
was
シー
so
ドラゴンで
sweet.
もそうなるんだな。
そ
Oh,
の赤いものはイチゴと言ったな。イチ
I
ゴなら
must
食
try
って
it.
みんこともない。
フェルはイチゴショートとか好き
It
だ
was
も
a
んな。
mind trying it.
どうぞ。
うん。
hmm.
イチゴショートとやらのイチゴとは違うが、これ
Just
も
like
甘
a
くて
cat.
うまい。
It's just like a cat.
It's that fake strawberry taste. Oh, brain freeze! No.
Brain
急いで
also.
食べすぎたね。
こんな
That's
口
so
は初
cute.
めてだ。
女神の加護も効かないか。フェルをやり込めるなんて、レッドドラゴンより強いんじゃないか。かき氷。
It's his weakness. Brain freeze is
レ
his
ッドドラ
weakness.
ゴン。
Oh, he's pissed. He's like, you guys just had to fucking go and hunt a red dragon. So he's getting double.
Like a thing.
Damn.
お
Yeah,
なん
something
か
is.
ざわついてるな。マルクスさん、何かあったんで
Do
す
you
か？
think this is a finale or are we getting another episode?
Just wanna-
Because
手を貸してもらえ
Doesn't feel
ば。
like a
いくら
finale.
なんでもあれは無理。
言うだけ言ってね。
what if it's the red dragon
覚
and
え
they've
があ
already
る気がす
defeated
る。
it?
この前
Wait, yeah,
近
I
くの
think-
山
I
で
think
ドエ
so.
ラえもんが
I think
出た
so.
って情報が入ってな。その調査報告を聞いていたところだ。
I bet it's the red dragon.
マルクスさん、奥で話ができませんか？
He said we already took care of it. Don't worry.
手短に頼む。
驚かないでくださいね。
It is gonna be the red dragon.
Please don't be
多
too
分
surprised.
そのどえらいもんです。
Oh, holy.
マルクスさん、大丈夫ですか？
すまん。一瞬我を忘れたぜ。いざとなったら相談するつもりじゃいたが、その前に解決されちまった。
The problem's already been
しか
solved.
し、レッドドラゴンを討伐したとは恐れ入るな。
That's pretty
討伐という
incredible.
か多分、成り行きで。
海じゃリヴァイアさんが最強だろうが、レッドドラゴンは空の魔物の中でも最
And
強
you
の
just
部類だ
defeated
ろ
both of them?
本気を出せば我の敵ではないわ。まあ、今回は援軍もおったしな。さすが伝説の魔獣だな。そういや、お前、冒険者ランクは
Oh no, he was he
Is
gonna
he
be.
gonna level up?
That's what
Is
I
he
was
gonna
just
level up
thinking
again?
too. S rank
お前
coming?
も S ランクでいいんじゃないか？
Yeah.
いやいやいや、俺は関係ない
No,
でしょ。
no, no, no,
レッ
please.
ドドラゴンを取ってきたのフェルたちなん
Well,
ですから。
they're your
そ
familiars.
れよ。
They don't have a
それを
rank.
簡単に買ってくるようなジューマがいるんだから、S ランクで問題ないだろ
もう心配ないですよって意味で見せただけで、あんまり
Sorry,
公にしない
bud.
でほしいん
You're
ですけ
getting
ど。
those S rank monsters next
う。討伐
season.
にかかった時間だろう、戦術だろう、大事な情報を共有してもらわんと困るんだ。それが冒険者ギルドのメンバーの義務だろうが。
Oh
Look at
no.
He's forcing it on him. He said, ugh, fine. This
お待たせしました。
red dragon.
それで
I
は
was
順番
wondering
に
when
リ
the
クエストを
gods and
伺い
goddesses were going
ま
to
す。
come back into play. Honestly, they're kind of an afterthought this season,
ヘアパックとかいうの試してみたいわ。
which is
この
fine because I
間
don't think they're
ラフ
super
トビールがう
important.
まかったから似た
I
ような
thought they
の
were gonna be a
頼
little
む
more
ぜ。
important
どう
this
やら異
season,
世
but
界に
Yeah.
は銀貨6枚より高いが、
Well, especially since we had two more join them.
毎回銀貨1枚ずつ貯めといて、それで手に入れるってのはどうだ？
神様が積み立て貯金を始めたよ。あれルカ様の希望は？
What?
お好み焼き。
Oh, she wants the
Oh,
okonomiyaki.
確かに美味しそうだった
Oh
わね。
no, don't tell me
wait,
he's gonna
they're
start
gonna
cooking for
start.
them.
Yeah,
ケーキも食べた
they're
いの
gonna
じゃ
start
が、
asking for
今
food
回
that
は
he makes for Phil, Sui,
お
and
好み焼き
Dora-chan.
にするか。酒にも合いそうだしな。
決めた！俺は銀貨3枚で酒、2枚でお好み焼きだ！
おう、わしもそれでいいか。
マジですか？
He's like, damn it.
6枚も焼くの大変なんですけど。
Can he just
材料
buy
を
any
お
off
供え
the
します
grocery
から
store?
自分たちで作ってく
Make
だ
him
さいよ。
I
yourself?
don't think so.
お主の包んだお好み焼きが食べたいのじゃ。
Well, you guys need to come down here then.
Oh, that would be sick, dude. Okay, that sounded wrong.
Oh man, so he had to
What did I say?
prepare all of that? That's a pain in the butt.
さすがに疲れた。これでしばらくお供えはいいか。やっぱり大変なことはさっさと片付けるに限るな。ってレッドドラゴンも早めに片付けた方がいいのかもな。
Yeah.
界隈に噂が広まるのも時間の問題だろうし。あとランベルトさんのこともなんとかしないとだよな。
Lot to do. Lot to do. He didn't want to be a busy man here.
決めた。
What?
Fireworks?
Yeah.
Is that
綺麗
fireworks?
で楽しいものだよ。
Oh, let's go. Yeah, I think it is.
Definitely season finale.
Season finale.
Come on, we got fireworks. It's got to be a finale.
Oh.
Yeah, this song's cool.
The small ones, small fireworks.
There's an S rank card. He got it.
Let's go.
Oh no.
Oh no, he says.
He's worried about that. Is there any after? There's got to be something, right? Ah, here it is. Here it is. Here it
Oh,
is.
there you
And
go.
oh, this one isn't actually
A
a
chibi one.
chibi one.
さあ、出発だ。
All right, let's go. Oh, that was good.
That was it.
That was
Okay.
good.
Did. What a great episode.
I know. I just it was cool. It just like seemed like more of like a wrap up episode. Like, yeah, we've done all we can here. Now it's time to head on to our next adventure. Even though our next adventure is now going back to the city to get this dragon processed, and then meeting with Lambert to get his cloak and sell him
Yeah.
more shampoo supplies.
If we're going with them, they got to stop with Elrond to give the red dragon over.
Yeah.
And then go to Lambert. Dude, I was wondering, how big is this world? Because, I mean, so far it looks like a linear, adventure. Like they were in one town, they go
Yeah.
to the next one. Like, I wonder how many more towns are in this world,
Yeah, I'm not sure how big like the map is. So I don't know that I thought maybe in season 1 we saw a map of the world.
Did we? I don't remember.
I feel like
looking
we
at a
saw a
map.
map of the world. Well, this isn't any of it.
But it's going to be interesting to see maybe next season more towns, more
Yeah.
new people, stronger foes.
I
'cause,
mean-
this season looked a little more like a challenge for Felh, Sui. I mean, not even, but more than last season.
Yeah, oh, definitely. When they went down to the dungeons and stuff, I
To
mean,
the dungeon.
especially the final dungeon boss, it was a
Right.
little more challenging to them than a normal, foe. I mean, this red dragon though,
Yeah.
we didn't even see the fight of the red dragon. They literally just came back and they had it. Like, That's so funny.
Yeah.
And I know that's not the importance of the show. Is not. It's a slice of life. It's not really going to be the fighting is the important part of it. It's just the adventures along the way that they're going on. And yeah, you know, I did enjoy this. I'm curious to see what happens in season 3. I'm guessing there's going to be a season 3. I'm not sure if they've announced it yet or not. But
they better.
Yeah, I know. Because now he has his S rank adventure card, so now they're going to be able to fight even tougher monsters than what they have been fighting.
Yep.
And getting, I guess, better ingredients to eat with as well. Yeah.
I'm excited. Hopefully, I don't know if they have announced the season 3 yet or not, but hopefully they do soon.
Yeah.
Because this shit was good.
Yeah, this season was really good.
Was really good.
I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. I did. Thank you, everyone, for watching this season of Campfire Cooking with us. If you enjoyed our reactions, please remember to like and subscribe.
See you on the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.